Hey there, so I am currently out here with my family. There's Lauren. And we are setting off some bonfires, as you can see.
Yeah, no. Okay. I'm going to put on just a little.
There's my mom.
Just a little. See if I can get it. But do you have one in the
Oh
back?
yeah, it's Mother's Day, and since a lot of my family is out here, we decided to do a bonfire tonight. So that is what we're up to.
Oh, so he also set the one back there.
Yeah.
Oh, all the way back there, almost by the creek?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the mulberries.
Yeah, there's a bunch.
Huh, where?
This tree.
On the floor.
They're like all over it. Yeah. I was just looking down. I thought there's oh yeah. So the mulberries are, I guess, getting.
You don't need to find
Yay!
No.
Yep, we've got mulberries now.
Yeah, we have mulberries on our tree.
Yeah?
Those are big. Did you see the size of those? Yeah, that's what ours are like. They're huge.
And ours are getting old, so they're not really ripening, right?
This kind of gives you an idea.
Check in with the county.
That's what I
Find
would
out
do.
more about that. Yeah.
Bonfire one more time.